The kids keep asking about summer vacation. The kids keep asking about summer vacation.
Where would you like to go this year? Where would you like to go this year?
Maybe somewhere near the beach? Maybe somewhere near the beach?
That sounds wonderful. They love swimming. That sounds wonderful. They love swimming.
What about that coastal town we saw online? What about that coastal town we saw online?
With the nice hotels and restaurants? With the nice hotels and restaurants?
Exactly. And there's a water park nearby. Exactly. And there's a water park nearby.
The children would be so excited. The children would be so excited.
How many days should we plan? How many days should we plan?
Maybe a week? That's enough time to relax. Maybe a week? That's enough time to relax.
I'll check hotel prices and availability. I'll check hotel prices and availability.
And I'll look at flight costs. And I'll look at flight costs.
Should we rent a car when we get there? Should we rent a car when we get there?
Good idea. We can explore the area. Good idea. We can explore the area.
The kids want to build sandcastles. The kids want to build sandcastles.
And collect seashells on the beach. And collect seashells on the beach.
We should bring our camera for photos. We should bring our camera for photos.
Yes. We need memories of this trip. Yes. We need memories of this trip.
What about activities for rainy days? What about activities for rainy days?
There's a museum and shopping center. There's a museum and shopping center.
This vacation will be perfect. This vacation will be perfect.
The whole family will have fun. The whole family will have fun.
I can't wait to see their happy faces. I can't wait to see their happy faces.
Vacation planning is almost as fun as going. Vacation planning is almost as fun as going.
Let's surprise them with the news tonight. Let's surprise them with the news tonight.
They'll be jumping with joy. They'll be jumping with joy.
This will be our best family vacation ever. This will be our best family vacation ever.
I love making memories with you all. I love making memories with you all. Are you hungry? I'm making a sandwich. Are you hungry? I'm making a sandwich.
That sounds good. Make me one too. That sounds good. Make me one too.
Turkey and cheese with mustard? Turkey and cheese with mustard?
Perfect. You know exactly what I like. Perfect. You know exactly what I like.
Want some hot chocolate with it? Want some hot chocolate with it?
On a cold night like this? Absolutely. On a cold night like this? Absolutely.
The kids are finally sound asleep. The kids are finally sound asleep.
It took 3 stories to get Sarah down. It took 3 stories to get Sarah down.
And Tommy wanted extra hugs tonight. And Tommy wanted extra hugs tonight.
They had such a busy day at school. They had such a busy day at school.
Remember when we used to stay up late talking? Remember when we used to stay up late talking?
Before kids, we talked until sunrise. Before kids, we talked until sunrise.
We still do. Just with sandwiches now. We still do. Just with sandwiches now.
And we're always tired. And we're always tired.
But happy tired. I love our life. But happy tired. I love our life.
Even the chaos and noise? Even the chaos and noise?
Especially the chaos and noise. It means family. Especially the chaos and noise. It means family.
You're right. Quiet houses are lonely. You're right. Quiet houses are lonely.
Should we watch a movie together? Should we watch a movie together?
Something light and funny? Something light and funny?
Perfect. We both need to laugh tonight. Perfect. We both need to laugh tonight.
After this week, we deserve it. After this week, we deserve it.
These quiet moments together are precious. These quiet moments together are precious.
Just you, me, and midnight snacks. Just you, me, and midnight snacks.
Tomorrow we'll be busy again. Tomorrow we'll be busy again.
But tonight is ours. But tonight is ours.
I love these simple times with you. I love these simple times with you.
Me too. This is what happiness looks like. Me too. This is what happiness looks like. Should we go grocery shopping together today? Should we go grocery shopping together today?
Yes. It's more fun when we shop as a team. Yes. It's more fun when we shop as a team.
What do we need for this week? What do we need for this week?
Let me check our shopping list. Let me check our shopping list.
Don't forget milk and eggs for breakfast. Don't forget milk and eggs for breakfast.
And bread for the kids' sandwiches. And bread for the kids' sandwiches.
Should we buy some fish for dinner tonight? Should we buy some fish for dinner tonight?
Great idea. The children love salmon. Great idea. The children love salmon.
I'll get the meat while you choose vegetables. I'll get the meat while you choose vegetables.
Perfect. I know which ones are fresh. Perfect. I know which ones are fresh.
Look at these beautiful tomatoes. Look at these beautiful tomatoes.
They're perfect for our salad tonight. They're perfect for our salad tonight.
Should we get ice cream for dessert? Should we get ice cream for dessert?
The kids would be so happy. The kids would be so happy.
Chocolate or vanilla? Chocolate or vanilla?
Let's get both. Why choose? Let's get both. Why choose?
You always make everyone happy. You always make everyone happy.
That's what families do for each other. That's what families do for each other.
We need cleaning supplies too. We need cleaning supplies too.
I'll get those while you pick fruits. I'll get those while you pick fruits.
These apples look delicious. These apples look delicious.
Tommy loves red apples in his lunch. Tommy loves red apples in his lunch.
Our cart is getting full. Our cart is getting full.
But we have everything we need. but we have everything we need.
Home cooking tonight will be wonderful. Home cooking tonight will be wonderful.
I love cooking together with you. I love cooking together with you.
Let's go home and make a feast. Let's go home and make a feast.
Our family dinners are the best. Our family dinners are the best.